Welcome! In this video, we will guide you through the replacement of packing in Viking Pump's stainless steel pumps with U+ bracket and ProPort casing. This video applies to these pump models. Before you begin, please consult the appropriate technical service manual for safety information. A copy of the latest revision can be found on our website at vikingpump.com. To begin, remove the stainless steel window guards from the bracket. Next, bend up the tang of the lock washer. Place a brass or hardwood bar into the port opening to keep the pump from turning. Loosen and remove the lock nut. Remove and discard the lock washer. Loosen the bearing housing set screws. Loosen and remove the bearing housing. Remove the bearing spacer collar. The collar may have come out with the bearing housing. Remove the half-round rings. Loosen and remove the packing gland lock nuts. Remove the packing gland. Remove the T-bolts. Using a packing hook, remove each packing ring. Remove the packing retainer washer and internal retaining ring. Before installing new hardware and packing, ensure the shaft is free of any debris or wear. Using snap ring pliers, install the internal retaining ring. Install the packing retainer washer. Make sure the washer is fully seated against the retaining ring. Install the packing. Lubricate each packing ring and install. Fully set each ring with a length of pipe. Make sure to alternate the packing ring joints from one side of the shaft to the other. When the packing is installed, install the T-bolts. Install the packing gland. Install the lock nuts. Tighten the nuts evenly until the packing gland is snug against the packing. Alternate tightening the nuts and ensure that the gland is evenly spaced to the left and right of the shaft. Do not over-tighten. Install the half-round rings. Install the bearing spacer collar with the cup side over the half-round rings. Install the bearing housing and fully tighten until the shaft will not turn. This point is known as zero end clearance. Install the lock washer by aligning the tab through the slot on the shaft. Install the lock nut. Place a brass or hardwood bar into the port opening to keep the pump from turning. Torque the lock nut to the appropriate torque setting. This setting can be found in the technical service manual. Bend a tang of the lock washer into a slot of the lock nut. If no tang aligns, continue to tighten the lock nut until one does. Failure to tighten the lock nut or engage the lock washer tab could result in early bearing failure and cause damage to the rest of the pump. You can now set the end clearance. The end clearance setting can be found in the technical service manual. Please refer to our video, Setting End Clearance, for details on this procedure. Turn the shaft to ensure the pump turns freely. Reinstall the window guards. Ensure that the retaining washer is placed between the guard and bracket faces. Finally, grease the bearing housing until grease begins to appear around the lock washer. Your pump has new packing and is ready to be put back into service. For more information or to view other service videos, please visit our website at vikingpump.com.